What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chef Yarneezy, the Pip Master. Guys, I got a hot one for you today. Listen, we're going to cover some things and I'm going to go kind of fast, so you got to stay with me. So, in my group, I've been telling everybody, hey, US30 is going to sell down to about this level where it busts through the 800 EMA. It did. So, I gave several take profits along the way. And then I said, hey, it's going to bounce off of 923, which is a level of support. I need to mark that on here. It's on my phone, marked as a level of support, but not on my computer. So this is a support level right here at 923. Oh, it is marked. It's purple. Okay, I didn't see it. No worries. This was a support level, all right? So now what it's doing is probably a break and retest to come back and set up again for another sale. Looks like the 50 is crossing over. So if the 50 continues in this direction, and if it does pop up, hit the 50 and come back down, then you know it's going for a reversal for a full sale on US 30. So if it does continue in a sell momentum, guys, it's coming down to about 799. First stop is 891. All right. Remember I said it first. All right. Next, gold. Gold, I have an alert set right here at 1765.289, but my support is at 17.62, 1762.48428. Okay, I believe it's going to hit support. It definitely has, it definitely has the momentum to do so, but it is bottoming out in the RSI. If you look here, it's already hit my magenta line at the low line at 1154. Okay, it's sitting at 13 right now in the RSI. If it wants to go to the single digits, then we know it's imminent to hit 17.62. Audi JPY, I've been screaming this one for a minute. I said when it dropped below that 50 on the 4-hour chart, looks like gold hit at 1765 right before our eyes, guys. All right, so go. Yep, there it is. Listen, I can't make this up. It's happening right now. You saw it first, okay? Let's go with Audi JPY 4-hour chart. I still got Audi JPY selling down to 83, excuse me, 80, where is this? 83, 84 roughly. 86. I'm sorry, 83.86 is where I got that selling down to. You got plenty of time to get in this one. I think it's going to actually crown and just drop all the way through these EMAs, guys, for real, all the way down to about 82.30, 37. But that's me talking. Let's see what happens. There's not enough room in the RSI for that. That's why I believe it's going to bounce and then run back up and then come back down. All right, let's go with Cocoa. All right, the Vita company, guys. I gave this, I didn't give this, I gave this in my group, but I didn't give it on here. But listen, it already hit this alert this morning, triggering off my 1418 alarm, right? So I set an alert and it hit it. I was so excited about it because I saw the bottom out. Look at this. All right. It came on the market on the 21st of October at 1330. And then look, drop down as usual. Any new IPO typically will drop, guys. Don't get, don't believe the hype. All right. It will drop. You catch it on the baseline, right? Look at it. It's at the bottom. It can't go any further. It has to go up from here. So we're looking at it going up through the RSI, which I'm looking at it going all the way back up where it came from. So this is a good buy. It's Coco is the ticker. Lucid. Lucid is still, trying to figure things out, but I'm strong on Lucid. I'm solid on Lucid. Lucid definitely has room to either push back through a down to support at 33.18, but it looks like it bounced off of support already and is trying to run back up here to resistance. I can't wait to see it hit $47.88 again, but it's definitely coming. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is making my famous St. Louis arch. So Bitcoin will probably, it already came through the 3 MAs. And look, it's headed for my pass-through zone here between 697 and 492, in between these two yellows right here. Okay, so I got Bitcoin dropping back down to about 61,492 and possibly coming down to this level of support at 60,841.14. All right, let's go with US oil, crude oil. It is having a hard time maintaining its momentum for a buy. So I have crude oil selling overall all the way down to 79.42. Right now, its first stop is going to be 80.76. If you're not in, matter of fact, let me make sure I'm in, because let me look at the lower time frame. Yep, we have room. So it wants to push up first to the 62, 82.19 and possibly to the 800 EMA before it decides to reverse. So I'm looking for it to hit, bounce off of resistance at 82.48 and then come right back down to 80.76. So I'll be able to catch that when it happens. Okay. I'm going to set my alert right here. I want to know when it hits this level. That way it alerts me and lets me know, hey, it's ready, fool. Get in. All right, last one. All right, that's crude oil, by the way. Last one, Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu looks like it's in a sell momentum, but it's bouncing off of this level of. It's not really a level of resistance or support. This is actually just off the MA, so it's riding between the 200 and the 50 MA right now. But what I'm looking for it to do, it doesn't have enough room in the RSI to keep dropping, but it can drop to about 59, 58. That's where I have it going on my phone and on my system. Now, that's off the 1 hour chart. Based on the 4 hour chart, it's set up for a serious drop off the 4 hour chart down to about 40. Okay. But I'm going to keep my fingers crossed that it does not do that yet. And if it does, I will exit stage left, get back in at a 40 level, and then ride it back up to, to the higher level. But that's what it's looking like on the higher time frames. It's definitely looking like it's in a sell momentum. Yeah, it is in a sell momentum. Look at that. But the other side of this is it can bounce and range and then go back up because basically off the day chart it still has it in a buy momentum, especially with this EMA rolling upward. Okay, so lower time frames. Let's see what we're talking about on a 15-minute chart. Phew, boy, still got it selling. This is a rough one. So it looks like it wants to consolidate. It might come up with a consolidation zone, guys. That's what I believe it's going to do. Is going to consolidate. And it hasn't been on the market long enough, in my opinion, to give me a full established consolidation zone. So I'm going to name one right now. Right here. Bam, that looks like a good area. Hold on, let me pull it up to about here. Yeah, that looks like a good area of consolidation, right around the 61.76 level. Let's see what happens. I'm going to set an alert so I can hear when it hits it. All right. And so that should be new. Okay, that's it, guys. I've given my full analysis for what I believe the market's going to do. I believe US30 is going to continue selling just because the EMAs are lined up properly. That was a 5-minute EMA. And then when you look at this, I've given I set like parameters to say, hey, by this day, the market's going to take another shift. So if we look at what's going on in the market, it bought up and then now it should shift to a downtrend, right? At least down to the 50. And then it'll shift another to another uptrend, possibly here or further downtrend. So when it gets to the 9th of November, I believe it's going to change shifts again. I've been doing that on several currencies lately. Did I do that on? Yep, I did it on this one too. I did it on gold. I got gold selling down, and this is a period. And I believe on the 4th of November, gold is going to take a U-turn and go back up for some buy momentum, or either it's going to consolidate. It's going to bounce down here and consolidate for the next, what's today? Today is the 3rd. Oh, so tomorrow. Tomorrow, gold should either drop another whole block down to this level, or gold is going to bounce and then run back up. So let's see what happens. It looks like gold wants to keep selling for real, but it needs to pull back, and the RSI is way too low. All right, that's been 9 minutes, guys. I've been talking for a minute. I don't like talking this long, but I had to give you the nuggets today. Hopefully you got something out of this. I'm your boy, Chef Yarneezy, the Pip Master. Drop some info if you took some information from me and you made money. If you got some information and you learned something today, anything, guys, just share this page. Everybody needs to know what's going on in this market, and I don't mind dropping nuggets to tell you. So, I'm your boy again, Chef Yarneezy, the Pip Master, and I'm out.